one supplementary too. So,
the vaccination drive is doing very well in India, and you are encouraging more and more people to take it. So is this government which has made 35,000 crores available in the budget, are you committed to quickly do universal vaccination? And if you are encouraging, by when will you allow universal vaccination, including the pediatricians to be allowed like the other programs? Thank you, ma'am.
You see, number one, let me clarify that every vaccine doesn't require universal immunization. That's number one. And all these priority groups that have been, you see, set up, like first you decided that you will give it to health workers, then the frontline workers. Now we are giving it to people above 60 or those with comorbidities between 45 and 59. Tomorrow this will further expand. These are all based on opinion of the experts. That's number one. And of the experts, not only in India, but there are guidelines which have been given by the World Health Organization also, who needs to be prioritized first. So, and there is a very well-defined group that is called the NEGVAC, that is a National Expert Group for Vaccine Administration. Whatever you are seeing today, it is the result of a hard work of so many people in our ministry and the NEGVAC, which was formed by the Prime Minister in the first week of August. Since then, this group is working. They are in touch with all the scientific, you see, developments in this particular field, not only in India but all across the world. So, it is not necessary scientifically to give each and every person in the country the vaccine. It is not going to be given to each and every person on this globe. This prioritization process being a dynamic process, the behavior of COVID is also a dynamic process. All the things are based on scientific facts, scientific scrutiny, and scientific vision of the overall scientific and health community.